Hello students, so today I will be discussing naphthalene. Naphthalene is a parent compound of the series of polynuclear aromatic compound. When a aromatic compound have more than one benzene nucleus, it is called a polynuclear aromatic compound. It is one of the component of mothballs. So mothballs mainly contains naphthalene. It is a colorless crystalline solid. It is a colorless crystalline solid. And it is obtained from a high boiling fraction. It is obtained from a high boiling fraction, and it is the most abundant single component of coal tar. It is the most abundant single component of coal tar. Even benzene is obtained from coal tar. It is the constituent of many insecticides. It is the constituent of many insecticides. And a large number of synthetic dyes contain the naphthalene nucleus. A large number of synthetic dyes contains naphthalene nucleus. So naphthalene, which is an aromatic compound because it obeys Huckel's rule. It obeys Huckel's rule. It is cyclic, planar, conjugated, and obeys 4n plus 2 pi rule of Huckel's. So therefore naphthalene is an aromatic compound, and it is the parent compound of the series of polynuclear aromatic compound, and it is crystalline solid. It is a crystalline solid, and it is the component of mothball. It is the component of mothball. It is the most abundant single component of coal tar. It is the most abundant single component of coal tar. It is the constituent of many insecticides. A large number of synthetic dyes contains naphthalene nucleus. Dyes are chemicals which are used to color cloths or color some materials. Naphthalene has high degree of unsaturation. Oxidation of naphthalene gives phthalic acid, and nitration of naphthalene gives alpha nitronaphthalene, which can be reduced to alpha naphthylamine, Oxidation of alpha naphthylamine gives phthalic acid. Oxidation of alpha naphthylamine gives phthalic acid. Naphthalene has high degree of unsaturation, and similar to benzene, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Naphthalene, like benzene, is resistant to addition reaction because it wants to preserve its aromatic stability. Naphthalene has unusual stability. The reason for its unusual stability is low values of heat of hydrogenation and heat of combustion. Its resonance energy is quite high, that is 61 kilocalorie per mole. And the total pi electron in naphthalene bicyclic ring is 10, and it is aromatic in nature. Nomenclature of naphthalene derivatives. So the two rings of naphthalene are numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one position is also called alpha and two position is beta. So if suppose the alpha position has NH2 group, then it is called alpha naphthylamine or 1-naphthylamine. So if alpha position has NH2 group, then it is called 1-naphthylamine. If the beta position has OH group, then it is called 2-naphthol or beta-naphthol. So it is also called beta-naphthol or 2-naphthol. It is called 1-naphthylamine. So this way we now write the nomenclature of the naphthalene derivatives. Electrophilic substitution reaction of naphthalene. Naphthalene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction like Friedel-Crafts acylation. The substituent gets attached at alpha and beta position. The alpha position is more preferred because the carbocation has 7 resonating structure in case of alpha, but only in case of beta it has only 6 resonating structure. More is the number of resonating structure, more stable is the resonance hybrid. So keeping in this, alpha position is preferred in case of electrophilic substitution reaction of naphthalene. If we carry out the nitration of naphthalene, we get two products. One is called alpha nitronaphthalene and another is called beta nitronaphthalene. The percentage of alpha nitronaphthalene is more than 90, whereas the percentage of beta nitronaphthalene is less than 10%, suggesting that electrophilic substitution reaction of naphthalene mainly occurs at alpha position, and that's why the alpha substituent product is more. So this is an example of nitration, which is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Here the effective electrophile is nitronium ion. Here the effective electrophile is nitronium ion. During the bromination of naphthalene, so when naphthalene undergo bromination in presence of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, alpha bromonaphthalene is formed and the yield is 75%. But if we carry out bromination in presence of 50% acetic acid solution, then alpha isomer is formed exclusively like 99% and beta isomer is formed in traces, that is 1%. So this is about the bromination of naphthalene. Sulfonation of naphthalene at 80 degrees Celsius, when naphthalene is treated with conc H2SO4, it forms the alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. But when H2SO4 is treated with naphthalene at 160 degrees Celsius, then it forms beta naphthalene sulfonic acid. Even alpha isomer give beta isomer when heated with H2SO4. So sulfonation of naphthalene under mild condition give mainly alpha form, but under high temperature give predominantly the beta isomer. Now Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Naphthalene undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction in presence of ethanol chloride AlCl3CH2 at a very low temperature to form 1-acetyl naphthalene and 2-acetyl naphthalene. The alpha isomer, that is 1-acetyl naphthalene, is formed in high percentage, that is 75%, and the beta isomer is formed at only 25%. If we treat naphthalene with ethanol chloride in presence of AlCl3 nitrobenzene at 25 degrees Celsius at a higher temperature, 2-acetyl naphthalene is exclusively formed. So this is the example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction of naphthalene. Oxidation of naphthalene. Naphthalene under milder condition in presence of CrO3 acetic acid at 10 to 15 degrees Celsius form 1,4-naphthoquinone, whereas in a alkaline KMnO4 medium or in presence of a strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4 potassium permanganate, it forms phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is also called benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. So this was regarding the chemistry of naphthalene. I hope you understood. So you can expect one question, particularly the electrophilic substitution reaction or oxidation. So naphthalene is an important aromatic compound. Its formula is C10H8, and we have seen a lot of reactions of naphthalene today. The electrophilic substitution reaction is the main reaction which naphthalene undergoes. It resists addition reaction but lesser as compared to benzene. So thank you, student. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos in future. Thank you.